Alright, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing the merch photo shoot. So first off, we've got to go ahead and give her a little clean. So let's get into it. Alright, so next we're hitting it with the Auto Perfect ceramic foam. So let's get into it. Alright, and that's it all nice and clean. All we got to do now is go pick up the photographer because the road's closed, looking pretty decent, and get the photos done. Let's go. Alright, so the photo shoot has been done. Now all we need to do is get the photos which have just arrived now, have a little look through them, and then of course add them to the website, and of course adjust the website slightly. So let's get into it. I look tensions. Look at that. Oh, really bad. You look fucking ugly in that one. That looks like I'm squishing a fucking sign. Mate, these fucking pictures are banging. You never gonna change. Oh, I had a section. They wrote da 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 da. Mate, they're fucking banging it. Right, that'll do, donkey. That'll do. Alright, so that is us done. That is the merch officially over. That is the whole process completely done. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm pretty goddamn happy with how it came out, and to be honest, the way the website came out as well, for a free website, it's pretty goddamn professional. I quite like it. But anyways, that is pretty much it. Of course, you can buy the merchandise at YouTube www.shaun-thomson.com. I do want to bring the prices down a little bit though, but it all depends on how much I order. So hopefully if this trial run goes well, then I'll be able to put a bigger order in, and then hopefully be able to buy them cheaper. But we'll see how it goes. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.